How to add friends on Snapchat on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add friends on Snapchat on your PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're not aware, you can actually now use your Snapchat on PC, which is the web version of Snapchat, which is also called web.snapchat.com. But the problem on the web version of Snapchat is that you will not be able to find the option to add friends. You can chat with your friends, you can send snaps, and you can even actually receive snaps, and you can send a video call or receive a video call. You can chat with people, you can view your story settings, but the only problem is that we will not be able to add new friends in it. So if you want to add new friends, we have to use the mobile version, and to use the mobile version on PC, you have to download this emulator and install it, which is basically called Bluestacks. Bluestacks is an Android emulator that will help you actually run Android apps on your PC for absolutely free. So once you download and install Bluestacks, I'll make sure to drop a link below. Here you'll find the option called Play Store, right? So just go ahead and then open up Play Store first, and since this is basically an Android emulator, you want to make sure that you are logged into your Google account and everything, and on your PC you have to download this Snapchat application. Now once you download Snapchat on your PC, just go ahead and then open it up, and then once you open the Snapchat app on your PC right over here, it'll ask you to log into your account as well. And as you log into your account as well, you'll basically see this kind of interface. Now in order to add friends, it's just like a mobile version. You have to tap on your Bitmoji profile from the top left, and then here you have to simply scroll and look for the option that says my friends or add friends or whatever else. Now once you tap on the Bitmoji profile over here, you'll be able to see all this, and just like on Android, on iOS, you'll find the option called add friends over here, right? So just go to the add friends section, and over here you can simply go ahead and then add the friends that you want to add, in this case right over here, by just hitting the add button right next to it. If they accept it and then add you back, you'll be friends on Snapchat. And this is how you can add friends on Snapchat on PC. If you were not being able to do it from the web version as well, you'll be able to do it from the application version. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.